You talk about these systems as predictable pipeline systems and really refining, moving from guesswork to fast learning. And we could talk about predictable in there. We could talk about guesswork. How do we get to fast learning? Because that's what we really need to do. We need to learn. We need to know what's working, what's not. And especially, the word fast in there, I'm fascinated with because everything's always changing. I was just I recorded a three-time B2B CRO, and he goes, Steve, what I'm doing now, I wasn't doing 3 months ago. Right. So, like, our operating environment is always changing. So, how do you get to this fast learning that then does predict pipeline?
Yeah, you might have a good month, for example, but you can't explain why, and you definitely can't repeat it. And in this case, what changes everything is treating the pipeline as a learning system, not a planning system. That is what that looked like in practice. So a learning system is one where each cycle answers the following questions. What did we learn? What will we change next? What decisions are we making? Scale, iterate, or kill. And a planning system instead answers what will we do this month or next month? How many activities will we ship? So this is the main shift from funnels to loops and from just activities and predictable pipeline and fast learning. So I will give you a simple structure to build that learning in your team, for example, on a different, like in any company, you can do that. So first, you should ask, what the main bottleneck right now? So are we attracting the wrong people? Are people dropping on the website? Maybe meetings happening, but not turning into real opportunities. So predictability and learning starts when you fix the biggest bottleneck, not when you do more stuff, more activities, more campaigns. So after that, you just turn your idea that you have in the team into clear bets. Instead of let's run a campaign, you say, if we change this for this audience, we expect this outcome because of this reason. So you don't launch activities, you place small, clear bets. And then the one that is very important. So you need to measure early signals that tell you if it's working or not, because payback and revenue, this take times. So you need to watch early indicators like are better fit people booking meetings, are meetings turning into real opportunities. So you don't wait months to learn, you track early signals that predict the outcome. And as the last stage, you have like every week, bi-weekly, I don't know the cadence you will choose for, you need to review what you learned and make a decision if you scale, if it's working, iterate, you just see some signals but just needs improvement, or you kill it. So you receive no signals, you just need to stop wasting time on that. So this is maybe the small, like short structure for that fast learning.